Yo, what the heck is Chat GPT? Have you heard about that new AI software that everyone's talking about? Joe Rogan and all the different people that do dropshipping and e-commerce and that are looking forward to this whole 2023 of a breakthrough for their business. Well, if you haven't heard about it, it's the ultimate tool, my friends, to help you make money online. And what I've done recently is I put together a training, and it has 2 free guides. The first one is over 64 ways for you to make money online, my friends. And the other one is 121 chat prompts to use with Chat GPT. Okay, and this is absolutely free. And then I have an awesome training video that talks about how it's helped me personally with my productivity, with my customer service team in the Philippines, and how I used it to build an amazing dropshipping website, selling an astronaut projector, using it to create a high converting landing page, and how you guys and girls can start duplicating that and start offering that for your own services, whether it's email marketing, SEO. I talk about how to make money with this Chat GPT. You're gonna love this training, and I can't wait for you to succeed with this. So let me know how you like the training, and definitely put in your name and email so you get it. Don't just watch the video, get the training, my friends. Talk to you soon. Take care, bye-bye.